How you doing? So this afternoon my wife and I made lunch with some adobo chicken, and it just kind of hits a craving for us. We love the adobo flavor, and it's about half the calories of regular barbecue sauce. So we still get to spice it up, flavor it, get some sweet heat and whatnot. But adobo sauce, you know, with half of the calories of regular barbecue sauce, it's kind of our go-to now. I also threw in about halfway through, before I flipped the chicken over, I added some frozen corn in a little cast iron skillet with a little bit of paprika, salt, pepper, a pat of butter, and then let that heat up. It was done by the time the chicken came off, and it came out really good. So here's the results. Good.
Mm.
Yeah, so you got to see another success story on the Q-Flame and the QBQ accessory. It really has so much variation because you can hit a lot of temperatures really well. So it starts smoldering at about 100 degrees and then it goes up to 600. It has that total range. And for this one we used 400 degrees. It was just a quick way to make lunch. You know, by the time I lit it to the time it got up to 400 degrees was 6 minutes and 20 seconds. So that's a lot faster than charcoal. and you know, it's not like hitting the switch on a regular smoker. I like to be a little more involved, a little more hands-on than that. So that's why I just fell in love with the Q-Flame QBQ.